A plane hits a truck during Newark landing. United Flight 169 from Venice struck a pole. Driver Warren Boardley got minor cuts and was released. All 231 passengers and crew were unharmed. Critics say FAA oversight needs more funding. Unions warn workers face aviation safety risks. Democrats demand United face real consequences. Republicans say wait for investigation results. Conservatives note safety systems worked properly. Industry groups oppose knee-jerk new regulations. Here's how different sources are covering this story. Stay informed, see the full story and vote on policy.